What are the key features of Power BI? Power BI offers a range of features that make it a powerful tool for business intelligence and data visualization. Here are some of its key features. Interactive dashboards. Create interactive and customizable dashboards that provide a comprehensive view of your data. Users can interact with visuals to drill down into details. Data connectivity. Connect to a wide variety of data sources, including databases, SQL Server, Oracle, cloud services, Azure, Salesforce, and flat files, Excel, CSV. Power BI supports real-time data connections. Data transformation and modeling. Use Power Query to clean, transform, and shape data before visualization. DAX, data analysis expressions, provides powerful formula language for data modeling and complex calculations. Visualizations, a wide range of visualizations such as bar charts, line charts, scatter plots, maps, and more. Custom visuals can also be imported from the Power BI marketplace. Reports, create detailed and interactive reports that can be filtered and sliced dynamically. Reports can be shared with others within the organization. Power BI service, publish and share reports and dashboards via the Power BI service. This cloud-based service allows for collaboration, real-time data refresh, and access from any device. Natural language Q&A. Use natural language to ask questions about your data and get answers in the form of visualizations. This feature makes data exploration more intuitive. AI and machine learning. Integrate AI and machine learning models to gain deeper insights. Power BI offers features like key influencers, which helps identify factors that influence data trends. Mobile access. Access and interact with Power BI reports and dashboards on mobile devices through the Power BI mobile app. Security. Robust security features including row-level security, data encryption, and role-based access control to ensure data privacy and compliance. Integration with other tools. Seamlessly integrate with other Microsoft tools such as Azure, Excel, SharePoint, and Teams, as well as third-party applications. Scheduled data refresh. Set up automatic data refresh schedules to ensure that your data is always up to date without manual intervention. Collaboration and sharing. Collaborate with team members by sharing reports and dashboards, adding comments, and annotating visuals. Power BI also supports embedding reports into applications or websites. Power BI Embedded. Embed Power BI visuals into your own applications, providing analytics and reporting capabilities directly within your software solutions. These features make Power BI a comprehensive tool for data analysis, visualization, and business intelligence, helping organizations make data-driven decisions.